Chicago Heating Repair. Just did maintenance, Rheem Criterion furnace. Found the flame sensor was dirty, cleaned that. Checked cycling motor operation. Hot surface is good. Clean the hot surface igniter. Although the only thing is the inducer sounds a little rough at startup, but it's running perfectly normal. So that can last you another 5-6 years. Or it could conk out, this winter. Hopefully not. I'm guessing 5-6 years. That's when the sun, the amp travels low. Or normal. Hot water tastes good. Perfectly normal. It's a good job too. They did a good. Whoever installed it did a good job. Oh, here's the air. This needs a new pad, which I don't have. So if you need a furnace repair or maintenance, call Chicago Heating Repair 773-330-3689.